Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk. Not long been in from work and found a package sent to me by the very kind Ssm0379 out there on YouTube. I know him by the name of Stephen, so thank you so much Stephen, my friend. He wanted to send me this package the other week and it's arrived. As you can see, it's not all packaged up. When it came through, obviously the post, my little boy Jacob wanted to open this, so it's not Royal Mail that's opened it, it's my little royal lad. That anything that I get, if I don't get to it first or he wants to open it, he's fine to do that, which he did. So I've had a little peek inside, and there's some lovely bits and pieces in here. Left the wrapping and stuff inside. Now this is lovely. It's an Airbus dimple lock 7550. I'm starting to love the dimple locks from sort of different brands, and this is a fantastic addition because the Caveman 1966 sent me a smaller Airbus dimple lock, so on display the two are going to go literally fantastic together. I've also got a couple of master dimple padlocks, again a large one and a small one, so again even better with a sort of few dimple locks on display. Oops, just lifted that out then and it's fallen out of the box. It's an Airbus it says A83 Alpha Lima /40-300 blue padlock. It says Slag or Slage, don't know how you pronounce that, Slag. Get it out. And it's an Airbus TITALIUM. That's what it says on the back. Yeah, 83 AL /40 series 2, I believe that may be. Keys, obviously covered up on the end, probably so I don't have a peek. I don't think they'll come supplied like that. Literally when I had a little look in the package, I'm very new to Airbus locks, and I had a little pick of this and it didn't open too badly, so I might have a go in a second. Put that there. And some picks. Now these two that I've got, or that he sent, so this is what Stephen sent. I've got two of these, but I could do with a couple also for my emergency work pack that I keep in my suit jacket pocket, so they're going to go in there, so thank you my friend. This one I really love, absolutely fantastic. I love these Reacher half diamonds. I've got a couple of the Southard ones and a homebrew one that was made for me by the fantastic Capiche, who makes picks and polishes picks on our forum. I've not got a paid one, as I say, my kit, so that is going to go lovely in there. Thank you so much, my friend. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. And also in the box is like a shorter Peterson type hook, which will go nicely in the kit. Lots shorter tips there compared to the normal length, so I'm going to have a play with that. I think he mentioned in an email that they're good for the smaller Avis padlocks, so that will come in handy with me being new to these Avis. Let's just move that to one side and have a quick go at getting this open if my battery does not go dead, because I've not charged it up since my last video, and there's no movement really at all from the plug there. What does it say on the bottom? Never noticed that. 300 patents, and you're probably not going to see that due to the rubbish autofocus. And out of interest, I'll use that hook because, again, this one's becoming a favourite of mine. When I picked this a minute or so ago, I literally started at the front and worked to the back. I got a little bit of a drop on pin 1, and there's bits of counter rotation in there, and it's literally easing off that tension so much, and there's hardly any going on it anyway. Let's see how we get on. Hope you can see. So that's just dropped over by pushing pin 1 down. It's literally counter rotation each time I'm going in. And that's picked. And I think it is key retaining because it doesn't spin all the way back round. So let's shut that up and have a look at these keys. Ah, right. Never realised that. He's covered them up because he's actually put a blank key in as well. Don't know if you can see that. That's obviously the blank. Looks like there's a couple of notches cut along the top of there, so I'm not sure what that is. I might have to do another video of picking this and try and get it focused in a little better. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be better against a black background. That might do. So that's the bitting on the key. So thank you so much, my friend. You are an absolute diamond. Really love these bits and pieces. And I'll be sorting a couple of bits, a sort of room out for these two in my kits, and those two for my backup work kit. So thank you again, Stephen, my friend, and if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.